Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the essentials, sign into the exact account you'll use, and open the game or app. Once done, check age and parental control status because many services block joins for underage or restricted profiles. Also verify linked accounts. Console versus platform account mismatches often cause failures. Make sure to note the account name and platform. This saves time when you change settings next. Now move immediately to privacy controls. That's where the block actually happens. Now go into settings and locate privacy or online safety. Change join-related options from block to friends or everyone, depending on how open you want to be. Toggle allow invitations and any voice or chat permissions needed for the session. These often gate the join function. Once adjusted, save and exit settings, then sign out and back in so changes propagate. If the platform uses a web dashboard, repeat the same options there to ensure consistency across devices. Finally, test the change by having a friend try to join. If it still fails, clear the app cache or restart the device. Many settings need a relog to take effect. Make sure the friend's platform and account meet their own privacy requirements because two-way permissions are required. If problems persist, compare both accounts' privacy and parental control options step by step, then retry. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily set both accounts to everyone test, then tighten settings once joining works.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.